Hello and welcome to Little Learners. In today's video we're going to be focusing on the sound D. The name for this letter is D and the sound it makes is D. Let's look at some words that start with this sound. D is for dog. D, dog, dog. D is for doctor. D, doctor, doctor. D is for doll. D, doll, doll. D is for dad. D, dad, dad. D is for dig. D, dig, dig. D is for dolphin. D, dolphin, dolphin. D is for dance. D, dance, dance. D is for duck. D, duck, duck. D is for dress. D, dress, dress. D is for door. D, door, door. All of those words started with the sound D. Practice makes perfect, so let's go over those words one more time. D is for dog. D, dog, dog. D is for doctor. D, doctor, doctor. D is for doll. D, doll, doll. D is for dad. D, dad, dad. D is for dig. D, dig, dig. D is for dolphin. D, dolphin, dolphin. D is for dance. D, dance, dance. D is for duck. D, duck, duck. D is for dress. D, dress, dress. D is for door. D, door, door. That concludes our D words for today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps out the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to click the subscribe button. You can also find a playlist of videos just like this in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.